How to restore the missing vivid filter in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down, you will see third option is camera. So click on camera. Now here click on formats. Now here make sure click on most compatible. After click on most compatible, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click camera app and click and hold phone. Take a picture and go back to app library. Now here click on photos app. Now in photos, you will see here the picture. Click on this edit icon. Click on filters. You will see vivid filter is here. So after the procedure, click on done. You will see your picture is vivid picture is done. So after the procedure, go back to home screen and refresh phone. So that's how you can restore the missing vivid filter in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.